Start with a little bit of Snowberry, but then tons of native wild sunflowers with some Harebells in there, with some Blazingstar. There's the Harebells in there as well. And then some sage, Prairie Sage. Another Blazingstar that's more fully out. Meadow Blazingstar most likely. Liatris, ligulistylis. Yarrow. Absolutely gorgeous Nisku Prairie Nature Reserve, folks. Tons of the Blazingstar all over the place. Some people call it butterfly crack. I would have to agree. There's lots of butterflies that love it. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous.